What is happening, my Paris? What is happening, y'all? What happened? What broke? Blessed Saturday morning to you all, wherever you are at. From my Jamaican kitchen, from my Jamaican home to you. It's another Saturday, and we give thanks. Blessed Saturday morning to you. Now look here. This is happening, you know. This is what is happening with me, y'all, where I am. Probably about that 1.5 or 2 hours ago. We just go down. All y'all Jamaicans, you want to know me at down at Coronation Market. Wasn't a lot. This is just a small hall. Because you know when we go to market, we think turn up like that, yeah. But I just want to let you know that all the little halls, all the little dinner journey, and all the breakfast journey, and all of them things, will be posting them on the Jamaican Debbie Debs. On the West Indian Delights channel, we're just gonna be just doing dishes in depth. We're coming with the beginners cooking videos and all of that. All of those will be on there, and the alls and the breakfast and the dinner journey. We're gonna come in with a mukbang, all Jamaican and all of that. So this is just a simple little Coronation Market haul. So I'm gonna put them out and show you, and I'm gonna brief you price, but I'm gonna put in the description of the video every single item and the price, and then from there you tell me, give me your feedback, what you think is happening. If you're a Jamaican, tell me what you think. If you never come down a yard for a long time, if you're not a Jamaican, give me your feedbacks in the comments section. Okay, now right here I have some fresh green scallion. You know, this is 2 pounds. This was $100. I have one bundle of calaloo, Jamaican calaloo. This was just $50. 1 pound of fresh lettuce. This was $100. 1 pound of Irish, and you notice them fresh. I don't wash them as yet. I chose not to wash them to let you know they're all fresh. So this is a pound of local Jamaican Irish, and I think this was either $70 or $80. This is 2 pounds of yellow yam, fresh. This is like, I think was 80 or I don't remember. I'm gonna put for you in the description per pound. This is 2 pounds of local carrots. I have here 1 pound of, not sure, it doesn't look like our onions. I'm not sure if it's imported. Onions. I have 1 pound of pak choi. It's 2 pounds of fresh green gungo. We're gonna shell it because we have a dish to do, and that dish will be posted on West Indian Delights. Please check it out. We have here 2.5 pounds of pumpkin, and get right in, camera girl, a few little peppers. Peppers is expensive, $500 and $600 a pound. So I forget a pepper or two. Normally no know my pepper them big and flush. Couldn't afford that. So I'm going to tell the guy, say, I have only $50. Give me this. And this is what he gave me. So them on top here the pumpkin. Right in, camera girl, make them see it right in. And I have right here a cabbage. So this was what, just for the weekend. This was just for the weekend. So I just decided to share this little haul with you, and I hope you have liked it. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And as I said before, I am going to leave in the description the price, the direct price, and I'm gonna calculate it and the total, and you tell me what you think is happening in the comments below. So I have my chicken foot over there, so I'm gonna cook chicken foot soup. If you're following me on Instagram, you might want to, or if you're not, you might just want to start following me. West Indian Delights 15. So that is what is really happening in my home this Saturday morning. So from my Jamaican kitchen with this little, I think where you are at, you would call it farmer's market. Yes, it is a farmer's market. You know it is. So because the produce are fresh, you can see them, it's fresh. So if you have liked it, as I said before, give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, you might just want to subscribe. Lots more to come. More. So we're just letting you know, this is where we're taking the alls. As we have one all, a small grocery all. So grocery alls will be over here. farmers market all, and when we start to buy a little clothing and stuff, wholesale oils, we'll be taking it right over on the Jamaican Debbie Debs. Please remember to like, share, and most of all subscribe. Leave your comments below, and from my Jamaican kitchen to yours, it's just blessings, blessings, love, peace, and happiness. And remember, never let the evil around you take control of you. Stay on top of things.